Shape America sets the standard for excellence in health and physical education.
I've been involved in physical education for almost 20 years now, and Shape America has been the premier source that we go to.
We're committed to providing our members with up-to-date news, resources in order to advocate.
Be it webinars, podcasts, e-blast, you name it, we send out so much information.
Here in Washington to make sure that the funding's there to ensure that health and physical education programs are available.
We're going to advocate for our profession, and we're going to promote the ESSA Act.
The Every Student Succeeds Act is the reauthorization of the Elementary and Secondary Education Act, and it is the federal education law that funds and provides the framework for elementary and secondary education in the United States. Shape America really is taking the lead when it comes to ESSA for health and physical education.
The Every Student Succeeds Act was passed, and I really think that Shape, their continuous efforts not to let that fall by the wayside, has provided us with the opportunity that we have today.
Now we are part of that well-rounded curriculum that every child needs to have.
A well-rounded education is Congress's way of telling states and school districts that a student's education is much more than reading, math, and science.
We're having a summit today in preparation for going to the Hill tomorrow and speak to our legislators.
The enthusiasm and energy of those folks participating in the summit was just electrical.
When you're in that room with 200 people, you could just feel the energy.
So people come here, they get trained. For example, tonight we have a training session for people that have never been on the Hill before, but also those people that have done this before.
They do a lot of the legwork for us and give us that data. We bring it back and we're able to relate it specifically, not just with anecdotal comments, but actual black and white numbers and data and figures.
So this is our 9th annual Speak Out Day event, and it's our largest ever.
This is my 3rd Speak Out Day. Love the opportunity that Shape organizes here, the opportunity to meet with the legislator.
I enjoy coming to Speak Out Day. When you look into the eyes of the aide or the legislator and they're really listening to you, it really makes me feel very proud.
You get this education at Speak Out Day, and you get to learn from the best, and then you get to put your goals into action.
Members are able to come to Capitol Hill, meet with their members of Congress, and really make an impact.
As we drove in, you start to see the monuments. People are starting to buzz in the bus a little bit.
Some of our Colorado advocates had the great idea to wear bright neon sneakers to Capitol Hill to really hammer home the message of active lifestyles for children.
It didn't matter what state the senator or congressman was from, they noticed our shoes.
We had a lot of fun with Senator Donnelly. We said, we'll be back next year and you'll remember us because of our shoes. I guess we're brothers in shoes.
We just visited with Anna Platt from Senator Stabenow's office. The senator was very supportive of the ESSA.
I thought our meeting went really great. Our voices were heard, and I think that they're going to support our cause and support ESSA and Shape America.
We were able to have coffee with Senator David Vitter from Louisiana. We talked about keeping the money in the bill.
I just was super excited that they recognized it, took time to meet, and they spent a good amount of time just with us, visiting, asking how they could support us.
The advocacy at the local level, as well as continuing to keep the pressure on at the federal level, is really important.
Being able to work on education policy out here in Washington not only helped us at the academic level, but also included opportunities to encourage more physical activity.
This effort, the Shape Advocacy administrative staff has put together, is just seamless. It is so amazing.
Our work never stops. For 7 years, we were advocating for health and physical education to be elevated within federal education law. Now we have to make sure that it's funded at the authorized level that Congress intended.
The ESSA Act represents a tremendous opportunity. Shape America did a lot to promote the act, but the work's just begun.
It is not something that just goes into effect, instantaneously. It's something that's going to have to be implemented over time.
Make your voices heard. Let everyone who's going to be able to put this new plan into action know how important physical activity is.
It is because of Speak Out Day and because of the active advocacy of our members that health and physical education have now been included in ESSA.